Hi, I'm Jim Hood of Fathom Realty. For the last 10 years, I have been using full walkthrough video tours of each of my sellers' homes. In the past, it created more attention for my clients' homes, as well as encouraged buyers to spend more time looking at the online information about each home. Another thing accomplished by the videos is that if the home really didn't match what the buyer was wanting, it saved many useless showings from occurring. With the health concerns in today's world, the last benefit is of all the more importance. Home sellers want buyers to see their homes, but only serious buyers to tour their home. One of the names given to the video tours for our listings is the 24/7 365 online open house. Video tours should give buyers the chance to see the home as if they were walking through it. Glamour shots of rooms that don't show accessing one room to the next do little to give buyers a firm feeling for how the home is laid out. Buyers don't want to expose themselves or their families to unnecessary risk or unnecessary use of time. So the more detailed a video is, well, the better. To create more interest and exposure for our listings, we also have a tool where we thoroughly market a home via the internet and social media prior to it actively being on the market. Combined with the full video, online open house, more buyers learn about the listings and serious buyers are ready to set appointments as soon as the home is available. If you'd like safer exposure for your home that pulls the attention of more buyers, just leave your information below and we will be in touch. Thank you.